Ever wondered about the secret to powerful, sculpted thighs? Well, ponder no more. Today we're diving into a workout routine that targets those very muscles. Whether you're gearing up for a marathon or simply looking to tone up, this routine will help you achieve your fitness goals. We start with the classic squats. Standing tall, feet hip-width apart, lower your body as if you're sitting on an imaginary chair. Keep your chest and chin up, push your hips back, and go down as much as you can while keeping your knees in line with your toes. Then push through your heels to stand back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Next up is the lunges. Stand straight, take a step forward with your right foot, and lower your body until your right knee is at a 90-degree angle. Keep your right knee directly above your right ankle, and make sure your left knee doesn't touch the floor. Push back up to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps on each leg. The third exercise is the step-ups. Find a step or a bench and step up with your right foot, pressing through your right heel as you lift your left foot off the ground and onto the step. Lower your left foot back to the ground and repeat on the other side. 3 sets of 10 reps on each leg should do the trick. Now we move on to the hip bridge. Lie flat on your back, bend your knees and keep your feet flat on the floor. Raise your hips to create a straight line from your knees to shoulders. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. Aim for 2 sets of 15 reps. Finally, we have the lateral band walks. Place a resistance band just above your knees and stand with your feet hip-width apart. Bend your knees slightly and step to the right, then bring your left foot to meet your right. Take 10 steps to the right, then 10 steps to the left. That's 1 set. Aim for 2 to 3 sets. Now, let's recap. We started with squats, moved on to lunges, then step-ups, followed by hip bridges, and finished with lateral band walks. Each of these exercises targets a different part of your thighs, ensuring a comprehensive workout. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate this routine into your workout schedule, and you'll be seeing results in no time. Remember, everyone's fitness journey is unique. Listen to your body, and adjust the reps and sets as needed. And as always, don't forget to warm up before starting your workout and cool down afterwards. Happy training!